everyone, welcome to Testers Day in Georgia. It's the 4th year we are celebrating Amazing Day among a lot of specialists here. This year we have around 500 plus attendees, and the day is quite special. For example, today, except the main stage and international and local speakers, experienced speakers, we are welcoming also companies and training centers. They are announcing information about their trainings, about their vacancies. They have interesting quizzes as well. And for the second day, we will have interesting workshops, 6 different topics dedicated for the different audience and very interesting for each of specialists in this area.
First of all, thank you very much to the Georgian team, because that's, I think, the engine of this power, what we see here. So I was here, I think, in 2020 the last time, and when I see, we had a small group at that time with 50, 60, 70 people, and when I see now this big conference, I think it's really nice to see the success.
Building the whole ecosystem next to to deliver the exams, to have the accredited training providers. This is also a big achievement. And my wish, keep on track.
We will need more and more testers, basically, because in our society, everything tends to be IT related. Software is developing like hell, and we need testers to test that.
Our idea is surely to bring also other certification schemes here and to also look into ISTQB, because there's not only foundation level, which is already pretty successful, what Nadia showed, but there's also other schemes in ISTQB, other modules, which might be very interesting for Georgia.
I would like to say thank you to Nadia and GeoSTQB for organizing such a wonderful event. In an age of AI, software testing is very important, because computers have no responsibility, only humans have responsibility, and we need more responsible testing, we need more events like that.
I hope everyone liked today this event, and I'm looking forward for the next year, the challenges that we can overcome all together.